Okay, everybody, so today we're going to talk about feeding ropefish. First up, bloodworms. Frozen bloodworms is my staple food that I feed my ropefish just to make sure that they're getting a lot of protein. You can also switch over to a commercial diet, something like Massivore Delight. This is a curry food. I don't feed this to my ropefish just because I try to keep their food more natural. I do, however, feed that to my bashirs because they would eat me out of house and home in bloodworms if I tried to feed them bloodworms. So, you can also feed them insects. My ropefish have the ability to get out on land, and they actually eat, these are isopods. I also have springtails in this system, but I don't think that they get out and eat the springtails. They're kind of small. So I do a lot of research on ropefish. They are my favorite fish in the whole world, and I'm trying to be the first person in the world to breed them. They've been bred before, but never 100% successfully. So I did a bunch of research about their food and diet. One of the things I came across when I was looking at this study about the ecology of basically what's in the Cross River as far as what fish, how many of those fish, that kind of thing. There's a graph on here that I came across, and on this list is Pictus calabaricus. That is the ropefish. That's the Latin name for ropefish. They found 36 of them. They ranged in size from 31 to 60 centimeters, and the next column you'll see in this list shows the gut contents of those ropefish because they necropsy all of them. It was insects, detritus, and prawns. So my little brain started thinking, I'm like, prawns, that's a shrimp. So I want to see what kind of shrimp are in the Cross River, so I did some more research, and I was scrolling, and I found the word Caridina, African Caridina. So I'm thinking, what can I equate that to in our hobby? Because all the time when I'm doing this research, I'm trying to relate it to things I can actually acquire that are similar in nature to what that is. So what do I have? I have Neocaridina. So for a while I've been sitting around trying to figure out what I'm going to do about this Neocaridina tank that I have that's a big mix of different colors because it's breeding a bunch of wilds. Wilds are those clear ones with the tiger stripes that you see. It's not that I don't like them, they're fine, but they're muddying up the color of all the rest of the colors of those shrimp. So I want to get those out and cull them, and I was going to put them in a whole tank just by themselves. However, after doing this research, I've decided that these are going to be good food for the ropefish. So I sat down for, I don't know, like an hour and a half, probably an hour and a half, in front of this tank, and I culled as many of the wilds as I could. It's looking a lot more colorful in there now. But yeah, so we're gonna put these in the ropefish pond because it's going to boost their actual natural diet because they eat a lot of prawns. Prawns being the types of shrimps that are in that Cross River. So hopefully this will help make them feel more at home. And we'll see how it goes. I mean, I know they're going to eat them. I used to feed ropefish ghost shrimp back way before I was doing all of this research. But I don't like to buy feeder anything from a pet store because I don't know what's in it. I think that looks like a thank you. Yes, you're welcome. Anyways, I don't like to buy feeder stuff because you don't know what's in it. But I know all of my shrimp are clean. I bred them. There's nothing wrong with them. So they're perfectly fine food for the ropefish. So, thought I'd share that with you guys. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you haven't. And if you need some plants, you can check out my website. It's aquariumdragon.com. And live your best life. And also, what else? Oh, what do you feed your ropefish? Let me know in the comments down below. I would love to hear it. Anyway, peace.